Ayup Woodlanders. Today I've got a little project on, and that is to make something for one of the teachers of Ellyray's school. And we just wanted to say thank you to one of the teachers who is the head teacher of the school. She's been absolutely fantastic. Mrs. Hollis, if you're listening, we are so grateful for everything you've done for us. We've decided to make an ornamental ladder. I was looking for something a bit wonky, just to give it a little bit of character. I'm going to try this one. Ideally it'd be better in a cleaving break, but I haven't got one. My last cleaving break broke. So I'm going to try and score it with an axe all the way down both sides, and then hopefully that will help me when I try and use my froe to split it. So between my two score lines now, which one is this side, one is this side, to drop my froe in there. This is a piece of ash, and this could be my famous last words, but ash is usually a joy to cleave, which means split it in half. And a froe is simply a lever. Froe will actually accomplish the purpose. Got the big bertha out now. It's one of the first Greenwood working tools I ever bought. This was an axe and this froe. It's a bit of a monster. It's from a blacksmith. I think his name was Quirky Quirkus. It's an absolute brute. I think it's made out of a car leaf spring. That was actually quite tough at the end, but we've made it. Next job for these is we'll clean them up with the Drawknife. We'll get rid of the bark, give it that rustic flavour. Now that we've got our book matched pair, Drawknife on both sides, we can plot out where the rungs are going to go. So now I've got all these marked up. Next job is to drill a 1-inch hole all the way through. Handy tip, I don't podge it all the way through, because what you end up is ripping the back out. So I've just got it so I can feel the hole that's poked through, and then I'll flip it over and do it from the other side. That will go something like that, and we'll go and find some rungs. This could be made into rungs, and you would cleave it in half, cleave it in a quarter, and you probably get 4 out of each one. Then I'm going to use some Hazel rods and then put some rounds on the end. It was tough going, I must admit. The worst thing that can happen is it starts to split down one of these somewhere where there's too much tension on it. Next job is to drill some holes and put some pegs in. I hope you like my little thank you gift. Mrs. Hollis absolutely loved it, and I think we've really surprised her. So if you're able to, have a little go at Greenwood working and let me know what you made. Thanks for watching.